I mean, as you can tell, dude, there's dirt and rust and everything else, dude. It's gonna get wild. That's for your gas. That's for your gas. I've never opened this up back here, so let's get into it. Oh, it's gonna be exciting. That thing goes deep. We need some more towels, I think. Guys, it's day 2. I kind of got caught up Sunday, and it's now Monday. So I'm gonna show you what I got, and then we're gonna try to get into it before it gets dark. It's gonna be a multi-day thing because we gotta work. We gotta make some money. All right. So, whoa, focus. So I got some different brushes. I already needed these. I want to try these out for door jams and stuff, but I'm gonna try it on the metal of the car. I just want to see what it looks, how it works. We're gonna check those out. Shop towels, and we're gonna try this. I done sprayed a little spot on the car. We're gonna see how it works. Get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what we got going on. Oh, dang, leaf done fell in here. That's my little spot I sprayed. Just make sure we're good. My God, dude, look at this. That's disgusting. Oh, we gotta get that off. Well, this is pretty bad, though. So this is before. Now we're gonna get into the cleanup. Yes, sir.
Monkey.
So this is what it looked like before, both sides. This is just like after scrubbing it, like rubbing it with water. That's disgusting, dude. We got so far. Look how much different it is already. I'm still wiping it down. This looks, it's getting there. The difference between that, it looks like that down there. We're getting there though. I had to stop the video. The dog hit the camera. I like this little brush though. This thing's nice. We're gonna get all of this. Let's get it. Well, it's getting dark. This is as far as we're gonna get. I mean, look at the difference already. We're gonna get back on it tomorrow. What's up, guys? So it's day 4. Just been working. Here we go. Check this out. Taking a break. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Come here. Sit down. Yeah, boy. What you doing? Yes, sir. We're taking a little break. Yes, sir. So we're almost done. I'm not gonna be able to get back there. I gotta take all this off, and I gotta watch videos on this because I don't want to mess anything up. But I'm really just gonna be cleaning this up in here with my little brush. Y'all, I'm not gonna be able to get a camera in there, I don't believe. Just doing this stuff up here. So I want to show some before and after pictures, and if you made it this far, I really do appreciate it.